Hello, welcome grade 5, 6, and 7 to mathematics class. Today we are going to do fraction, subtraction, addition, division, and multiplication. We are going to do question number 1 up to question number 10. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe so as to be the first one to see this video again. Straight, let's go to question number 1. They gave us 13 3 over 5 plus 7 over 8. First, we are going to add the whole number plus whole number, and then we are going to add fraction with the fraction. So, 13 plus 0, we get 13 plus fraction, that is 3 over 5 plus 7 over 8. We are going to find the LCM of 5 and 8, which is 40. 40 divided by 5, it is 8. 8 times 3, it is 24. Plus 40 divided by 8, 5. 5 times 7, it is 35. 13 plus 24 plus 35, we get 59 over 40. But 59 over 40 is improper. We are going to divide to get a mixed number. 59 over 40, we are going to divide. 59 divided by 40, it goes by 1. We get 40, take away, remain with 9, 1, 19. So it goes by 1, remain 19 out of 40. 13 plus 1 whole number, 19 out of 40. I'm going to take the whole number plus whole number. 13 plus 1, I get 14. 19 out of 40. And this is our answer. Let us do question number 2. They gave us 4 3 out of 7. Take away 5 2 out of 3. But when we check our question, 4 3 out of 7, it is more in quantity compared to 5 2 out of 3. So our answer here is going to be negative. What we're going to do, we are going to take 5 2 out of 3, take away 4 3 out of 7. So we are going to take 5 2 out of 3, take away 4 3 out of 7. The whole number, take away whole number, we are going to remain with 1. Plus, we'll take fraction, take away fraction. That is 2 over 3, take away 3 over 7. The LCM is 21. 21 divided by 3, 7. 7 times 2, we get 14. Take away 21 divided by 7, 3. 3 times 3, we get 9. 14 take away 9, we remain with 5 out of 21. So our answer is going to be 1. And the fraction that we get is 5 out of 21. But remember, our answer, it is negative. Why? Because the negative part is more than the positive part. Make a note of it. Question number 3. We have 3 3 over 4 multiplied by 3 1 over 5. First of all, let us change our mixed number into improper. That is 4 times 3, 12 plus 3. We get 15 over 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, 15 plus 1. We get 16 out of 5. Here we can simplify by 4 and 5, by 4 1, by 4 2, by 5 1, by 5 we get 3. 3 times 2, we get 6. Number 4, it is a division question. 4 2 out of 5 divided by 2 1 over 5. Let us change our fraction into improper. 5 multiplied by 4, 20, plus 2, we get 22 out of 5, divide by 5 multiplied by 2, 10, plus 1, we get 11 over 5. This is equal to, we are going to keep the first fraction, that is going to be 22 over 5. We'll change division to multiplication, and then we are going to reciprocate 11 out of 5. That 5 will be up and 11 will go down. 5 over 11. We can simplify here by 5, 1, by 5, 1, by 11, 1, by 11, 2. 2 times 1, we get our answer equal to 2. Let us do question number 5. We have 4 2 out of 3 plus 2.5. Is 4 plus 2, we get 6, plus, we are going to take fraction plus fraction, that is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. The LCM is 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 2, we get 4, plus 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 1, we get 3. So here we are going to get 7 out of 6. 7 out of 6 is improper. We are going to change it into mixed number by dividing 7 over 6. This will go by 1. 1 times 6, we get 6, take away, we remain with 1. So it goes by 1 whole number, remain 1 over 6. So this is going to be 6 plus 1, 1 over 6. We can add the whole number and whole number. That is 6 plus 1, we get 7. And this fraction, 1 over 6. And this is our answer. Number 6, we have 5. 5 over 11, take away 2, 1 over 8. We are going to take the whole number, take away whole number. 5, take away 2, we remain with 3. We add. We are going to take fraction, take away fraction. 5 over 11, take away 1 over 8. We're going to find the LCM of 11 and 8, which is going to be 88. 88 divided by 11, it is 8. 8 multiplied by 5, we get 40. Take away 88 divided by 8, it is 11. 11 times 1, we get 11. 40, take away 11, it is 29 out of 88. Now our answer is going to be 3 whole number, 29 out of 88. Let us do question number 7. 4 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 3 over 7. We are going to change our fractions into improper fraction. 5 multiplied by 4, 20, plus 1, we get 21 out of 5. Multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1, 7. 7 plus 3, we get 10 out of 7. Here we can simplify by 7, 1, by 7, 3, by 5, 1, by 5, 2. 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6. Question number 8. We have 3 over 5 divided by 6 over 15. Let's first change this mixed number into improper. 5 times 3, 15, plus 3, we get 18 out of 5, divide by 6 over 15. We are going to keep the first fraction, 18 over 5. We are going to change the division into multiplication, and then we are going to reciprocate 6 out of 15. That is going to be 15 out of 6. Now we can simplify by 5, 1, by 5, 3, by 6, 1, by 6, we get 3. 3 times 3, the answer is 9. Question number 9, they gave us 6, 3 out of 5, take away. In the bracket, 1.5 plus 2, 1 over 3. First, we are going to do in the bracket, and then we are going to take away. So we have 6, 3 out of 5, take away. We are going to take the whole number plus the whole number. That is going to be 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. The LCM is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 1, we got 3. Plus 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 1, we got 2. This gives us 5 over 6. So 6, 3 over 5, take away. Here we get 3 whole number, 5 over 6. Now we can go and take away. We take the whole number, take away whole number, that is 5, that is 6, take away 3, we remain with 3, plus 3 over 5, take away 5 over 6. The LCM is 30. 30 divided by 5, 6. 6 times 3, it is 18. Take away 30 divided by 6, it is 5. 5 times 5, we get 25. But 18 take away 25, it is impossible. We are going to borrow 1 from 3. It remains 2. Plus, the one we borrow is the same as 30. 30 plus 18, we get 48. So 48 take away 25 over 30. 48 take away 25. This is equal to 23 over 30. Our answer is equal to 23 over 30. Question number 10, we have in the bracket 5 over 6 divided by 3 over 4 divide by 1 over 2. We are going to start to do in the bracket 5 over 6. We are going to change the division into multiplication, and then we are going to reciprocate 3 over 4. That 4 will go up and 3 will come down. Divide by 1 over 2. Here we can simplify by 2, 3 by 2, 2. 5 multiplied by 2, we get 10. 3 multiplied by 3, we get 9. We are going to divide this by a half. We are going to keep 10 over 9. We'll change division into multiplication, and then we are going to reciprocate a half. That is going to be 2 over 1. 10 multiplied by 2, we get 20. 9 multiplied by 1, we get 9. We are going to change this improper into a mixed number. We'll take 20, divide by 9, it will go by 2, to give us 18. We'll take away, we remain with 2. So this goes by 2, remain 2 over 9. And this is our answer. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, and like. See you next time. Bye.